So in this video, what we're going to do is turn on the DELL XPS 8700 for the first time so you can hear what it sounds like when the computer is actually on. Now I do have the side panel off of this unit on purpose. I will be putting the panel back on so you can hear the difference between the two. So here we go. This is Windows 7. It is booting here for the first time. So this unit is fairly quiet. What you are hearing there, you'll hear a little bit of sound from the spin drive. So right now the camera, or the webcam, is approximately about a little over a foot, maybe 13-14 inches away from the front of the computer case. So that is the sound that you're hearing from approximately that distance. I will move the camera a little bit closer so you can hear what it sounds like when it's closer. So this is the inside of the computer, and I'll just put it right here. So that is the sound when you are almost directly inside of the computer case. It's basically right where the bezel, or sorry, right where the side panel would be. That is the distance away from this computer that you're listening to right now. The reason why I'm putting it this close is because some people like to have their computer right beside them on the desk. So this is basically as close as possible that you would be to the computer, I would assume. So I'm just going to back out a little, and you can see what the insides look like, and in terms of what the layout of that computer case is. So what you'll see here is the 3.5-inch drive there. That is the spin drive. We have here is the video card, the CPU and the fan spinning there, and then up top here we have the DVD drive right over here, and of course the power supply over here. So that is the internals of the case. You will find that it is a bit compact, but it does allow for a little bit of an expansion over here in terms of bays. 2 more bays over here. Looks like a smaller bay over here that you could probably fit something in as well. Aside from that, the motherboard, let's see here, doesn't really have any additional expansion slots except for those ones at the bottom there. So it does have some expansion slots, but not too much. You can fit in this machine a total of 4 cards. Keep in mind, one of those cards are being used by the is being used by the video card. So that is the conclusion of this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about it, please do post your questions below. Thank you very much for watching.